Welcome back again to another updated as well as small tutorial for the liquor, beer, and wine inventory and costing. Um, Basically what I have done is that I have updated the liquor tab, the beer tab, as well as the wine tab to have some functions that I've been updating individual sectors for into Etsy. This is the final one, so just want to briefly show you that now in the bottle section for the wine tab, you could modify the bottle price as glass price and not just solely rely on your interactive bottle pricing. For the beer, you can now enter in your glass ounces per size of the glass that you have. Um, So that way, if I know some places, if you have an ABV of a particular beer that is above a certain percentage, you can only serve a certain amount of it. So now you have the flexibility of changing it to 8-ounce pour, and it'll actually flow through accordingly and help you out with your costing, as well as how to price your items out to be within your cost percentage. Another thing I've added was in the are empty kegs in your inventory? Yes or no. If it's selected as yes, you'll have where the total kegs are added up. So in use or full kegs will show up in here. So that's going to be the total amount of kegs that you have on hand, which right now on the bottom is this a sum of 26.9. It'll always round up. And if you have empty kegs on the side that you have in a storage area that are need to be picked up for credit, you can add those in and it'll flow through and give you a total amount you have on hand. If by chance you have a general ledger that pulls that away, which I always recommend because then you have an actual true beer cost, not just your deposits in there, you want to type in a no or an N, and it removes the total amount, and you don't have to worry about entering anything in here. You just keep that as 0. Now for the liquor, not much has been updated here, just because it kind of flows through like it needs to. But on your analysis, basically what this is that it's pulling the individual tabs, liquor, beer, wine analysis, so that way you have the capability of entering them here. And then it'll pull the numbers into your overall end of month, so you see your total beverage usage and your cost percentages. This part you'll have to enter in your overall budget. So if you're sitting at 39 for your total liquor, beer, and wine budget, you can see that this is totally off because your liquor is out of whack, and yeah. So that's that right there. If you have any questions, you can send me an email at xlforhospitality@gmail.com. You could also comment down below the YouTube channel. My Etsy is also named XL for Hospitality. You can send me a message on there. Yeah, if you have any custom work that needs to be done, I am more than capable of assist you with this. You just have to provide me a little time when it comes to getting that done. And then more of a detail-oriented thing, and we'll talk about pricing later on. So thank you again for all your support and looking at these videos, and you have a great day.